Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to customize floating accessibility button for our switch access in Realme 14x phone. First, we need to go to settings. Then in settings, we're looking for accessibility and convenience menu, then accessibility, and then in the interaction tab, we have switch access. Now we have enabled our shortcut. It's here, so we need to go to the shortcut options, then more options, and here we have a few options that we can change. So we can change location of this button to navigation bar if you want to. We can change size of this button. We have the large option. We can enable or disable the fading option, and we can change transparency using this slider right here. So let's make it more invisible. And that's all.